Today I am going to show you an ultrasound guided injection of the elbow. Venous blood is aspirated about 14 ml to prepare about 2 ml of 5 times concentrated PRP. The blood is centrifuged in a bedside centrifuge and about 2 ml of platelet rich plasma or PRP is obtained. The landmarks of the elbow are marked. These are the tip of the olecranon now, the head of the radius over there. A line is drawn connecting the two, and the top point is the lateral epicondyle. An isosceles triangle is formed. The site of insertion is in the center of this triangle. It is marked with a marking pen. You can see the depression which is heading into the joint line. The skin is prepared with an antiseptic solution and a local anesthetic is injected into the skin and subcutaneous tissues. This is the direction of the needle insertion into the radiocapitular joint. Now PRP is taken, about 2 cc of syringe PRP is taken. The ultrasound probe is placed and you can see the needle penetrating, which was shown by the finger. It has entered the radiocapitular joint. The PRP is injected into the joint. A sterile dressing is applied.